Today we are going to learn about India's population. Population, the total number of people residing in a country at a specified period of time, is called the population of that country. India is the second most populous country in the world, next only to China. India covers only 2.4% of the land area of the world, but is the home of about 17.5% of the world's population. It shows that the proportion of population in India is far higher than the proportion of its area. Thus, a little more than 1 out of every 6 person in the world is from India. Population composition. Population composition refers to the characteristics such as age, sex, marital status, caste, religion, language, education, occupation, etc. The study of composition of population helps us to understand the social, economic, and demographic structure of population. Population dynamics. Human population dynamics is a field that tracks factors related to changes in the size of population and its characteristics. Predicting population change is an important aspect of population studies. Population growth and change. Population change refers to an increase or decrease of population of an area from one period to another period. Population growth is influenced by the birth rate, death rate, and migration. These three make the changes in population. Birth rate refers to the number of live births per thousand people in a year, and the death rate refers to the number of deaths per thousand people in a year. The rapid decline in death rate is the major cause of the rapid growth of population in India. Census. Population census is the total process of collecting, compiling, analyzing, or otherwise disseminating demographic, economic, and social data pertaining at a specific time of all persons in a country or a well-defined part of a country. It happens in an interval of 10 years. The data collected through the census are used for administration, planning, policy making, as well as management and evaluation of various programs by the government. Do you know, in India, the first census was carried out in the year 1872, but the first complete and synchronous census was conducted in 1881, and the 2011 census represents the 15th census of India. Density of population. It is expressed as number of persons per square kilometer. According to 2011, the average density of population of India is 382 persons per square kilometer. India is one of the most thickly populated 10 countries of the world. The most densely populated state of India is Bihar, and the state with least population density is Arunachal Pradesh. Among the union territories, Delhi is the densely populated one with 11,297 per square kilometer, while Andaman and Nicobar Islands have the lowest density of population. Literacy rate. The people who are able to read and write are known as literates. It is an important indicator of quality of life. The percentage of literate people to the total population is termed as literacy rate. There has been a steady improvement in the literacy levels in India. India's literacy rate as per 2011 census is 74.04%. From this, the literacy rate of male is 82.14% and the female is 65.46%. It shows that still there is a vast gap, that is 16.68% between the male and female literacy rates. Kerala ranks first in the country with a literacy rate of 93.91%, followed by Union Territory Lakshadweep with 92.28%. The lowest literacy rate is found in Bihar, 63.82%. Occupational structure. The economically active part of a country's population is enumerated during the census operations and stated as workers. Workers are placed under threefold categories in census record. They are main workers, marginal workers, and non-workers. According to the Census of India, all those who had worked for the major part of the preceding year, at least 6 months or 183 days, are recorded as main workers. Those who worked for less than 6 months are recorded as marginal workers, and the people who have not worked at all comes under non-workers. Sex ratio. Sex ratio is defined as the number of females per 1000 male population. According to 2011 census, the sex ratio of the country is 940 females per 1000 males. This suggests that the size of female population is lower than males. It is 1084 in Kerala and 1038 in Puducherry. The lowest sex ratio is recorded in the Union Territory of Daman and Diu, that is 618.